Hey everyone, welcome to Java Code Academy. Today I am going to show you how to install Java JDK and set up IntelliJ IDEA so you can start coding in Java right now. This tutorial is beginner friendly and very easy to follow. So let's get started. Before we install anything, let me quickly explain what is JDK. JDK stands for Java Development. It includes everything you need to write, compile, and run Java programs. So, first we will install the JDK and then we will set up the IntelliJ IDEA. Open your browser and search for Download Java JDK. Click on the official Oracle or Open JDK website. Choose your operating system, Windows, Mac or Linux, and download the latest JDK version. After downloading, open the installer and just click next, finish. The installation will take a few seconds. Now let's verify the installation. Open your command prompt. You type Java-version. If you see the version number, congratulations, Java is installed successfully. Next we will install the IDE. I recommended IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition because it's beginner friendly and completely free. Search for download IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. Open the JetBrains website and download the installer. Run the setup. Click next a few times and install it. Once installed, open IntelliJ IDEA. Create Java project. Inside the IntelliJ IDEA, click New Project, select Java, choose the JDK you installed earlier and click Create. Now you will see your project structure on the left side. Right click on the src folder, New Java class, name it main. Now type the following code or just copy it from screen. Click the green run button and there you go. Your first Java program has successfully run. Your Java setup is completed. From the next video, we will start learning Java from the basics, variables, inputs, loops, arrays, everything step by step. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to Java Code Academy and turn on notification so you don't miss any lessons. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.